Shenzhen Quagao Electronics Company Limited, located in the Shajing area of Bao'an District, Shenzhen, specializes in a diverse range of products, including hair care products, sexy toys, home-use cigarette machines, electronics boards, and consumer electronics. The company is committed to innovation and high-quality standards across all product lines, making it a leader in the industry. In the hair care sector, Quagao offers a wide variety of professional-grade hair tools designed to meet the needs of both consumers and professionals. The Sexy Toy line features innovative, safe, and comfortable products catering to the growing demand for adult wellness. The home-use cigarette machine provides an alternative to traditional smoking, offering users a more convenient and controlled experience. Quagao Electronics also specializes in the design and manufacturing of high-quality electronics boards used in a variety of consumer electronic devices. The company's expertise in this field ensures the production of durable, reliable, and efficient circuit boards that meet international standards. With a strong technical team and a commitment to research and development, Shenzhen Quagao Electronics Company Limited continues to focus on delivering cutting-edge, cost-effective products to its global customer base. The company's dedication to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction drives its success and future growth in the market. We support OEM or ODM service. We warmly welcome your visit to our company and factory. We also look for distributors all the world.
We are professional manufacturing for PCB. Welcome to our factory.